Hello, I thought it would be helpful to make a short video that shows everyone how to use a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets to calculate the standard deviation and then to use those standard deviation values in the form of error bars to help us make claims in respect to our evidence, to our data that we collected as part of the second lab investigation. So, just a reminder of what we've done so far. You've collected at least 3 leaves from either the shady side or the sunny side of a particular tree. You've measured the mass of those individual leaves. In reality, what you measured were the paper cutouts of those leaves. And then using the standard curve that we generated from known pieces of paper with known surface areas and known mass values, we've calculated the surface area of each of those paper cutouts according to their mass. So just recall, we built in a formula that allows the spreadsheet to calculate the surface area of each of those paper cutouts based on the mass that we measured on the electronic balance. Okay, so we have all of our surface area values, and we've also gone ahead and calculated an average for each of the types of leaves, the sun leaves or the shade leaves that we picked from the tree in Shaw Park. So again, just a quick reminder, we're using a formula or a built-in function that's part of the spreadsheet. This one's called average. We're telling the computer to take the average of a particular set of values, in this case, the sun surface area values. So if I click here and then I scroll up, we can see the data that the computer is taking the average of is highlighted, and then the value is being calculated automatically. Okay, so that's been done for the sun leaves and the shade leaves. Well, the next piece of the puzzle is, now that you've watched the videos on the standard deviation, a statistic or a measurement of variability within a sample of measurements that have been made, we want to take those values and actually calculate them from the data that you've collected. So let's like the average, it's quite easy to do this. I've actually already done it here, but I'll show you what it looks like from the very beginning. We'll just get rid of these for a moment. Just like any other function, I'm going to begin with an equal sign. And for the standard deviation, I can start typing in the word standard, and the first option will be what I'm looking for. It's abbreviated STDEV in Google Sheets, so I'll click there. And so I want the standard deviation of the sun leaves. I'm going to go back up, select the sun leaves, press enter, and I have my standard deviation. Okay? Again, one more time, starting with an equal sign, STDEV for standard deviation. I want the shade standard deviation. Press enter, and there it is.